in this video. What is going on, guys? Aaron here with Turbo Details, and welcome back to another video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. In this video, we're going to be working on a 2012 Nissan Altima, and this was the dirtiest car I personally have ever detailed. This is going to be the worst one you've ever seen on the channel, so get ready. Now, in the last video, you guys did seem to enjoy the just sounds. Let me know in the comments section down below if you want a little bit of music or if you are perfectly fine with just the sounds. We are experimenting a bunch to see what works best for you guys, so let us know in the comment section down below. Now, if you take a peek at the description, we have added in, finally, all of our products, tools, equipment, and anything that you've ever seen in one of our videos as Amazon affiliate links. So yes, we do get a small commission if you go ahead and purchase anything using those links down below. Go ahead, and that is the #1 way you can support the channel as of right now. As far as updates go, I did get a new voiceover microphone, so let me know how the quality is in the comment section down below, and I will hashtag you a Turbo fan if you comment down below. To start the vacuum process, I am using a 14-gallon 6-peak horsepower rigid vacuum found at Home Depot. Amazon affiliate link in the description. Now, something to keep in mind is that you need a very good crevice tool because there's so many cracks and crevices. As you can see, the spots right where the carpets attach in, as well as in the trunk here by the speaker, it just is not possible to get it with anything of a bigger attachment. So you want to make sure you pick up a very, very small crevice tool to get in every nook and cranny possible. Now, a game changer in the detailing world is going to be these drill brushes. You can find them in different colors. They range in stiffnesses. These things can be used anywhere from the tires to agitating carpets to getting up as much grime on the door panels, dashboard, center console. So these things are extremely versatile, and I definitely recommend adding these to your arsenal. And we've got another dirty water dump for you. Comment down below what you guys think that looks like. I think it personally looks like the darkest coffee you can get in the stores. Now, a cool little tip for you detailers out there. With the door panels being extremely dirty, we go over them lightly with a nice first pass. That way it gets off all of the top layer of dirt and grime, and then we go over the entire door panel again a second time to get all that deeper down dirt and grime. We're using Chemical Guy's Silk Shine here to UV protect all of the plastics, door panels, dashboard, and center console. This way it gives it a nice matte finish, as well as it makes everything just look very professional. Detail brushes are key to success. There's a ton of cracks and crevices that you just cannot get with your own fingers or with the towels. And something that I have to mention, there's an affiliate link for dental picks. Go ahead and pick those up. You can get in so many more cracks and crevices with those. They are life changers as well. Now you do have to be a little bit careful with them because they can scratch anything that comes in contact with them, but if you're extremely careful, they are more help than not. That is going to wrap up today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps us grow our channel. Without further ado, enjoy these after shots. Aaron out.